Okay, similar to the logic when you glue on some non-boltable handlebars, that will be what I'm doing here. I'm not looking for too much for the sticky property here. I'm looking for the gliding property. I'm wanting this to glide in easier. And I don't want the sticky stuff all over the shot, so I'm putting it exactly where I need it and not anywhere else. And I need to be quick because this stuff dries off. So forward, right, and push. Now please go in. Please go in. This is not easy. Right. This is even worse than before. Let me try some water. This is not working. Anyone has an idea? Don't want to break them. I mean, they're so tight. So freaking tight. Same. Are they the wrong things here? They're the wrong part. The groove goes in parallel all the way, so that's not seeming to be the issue. Okay, now I'm going to do with just water. It's not working. Okay, I will pause this. I will put this information out for you people, so you can help me, give me some ideas of how to do this. What's the issue here? Maybe this is turned around. Let's try this. Nope. What the hell is this here? Oh, I think there is an issue here with that. Of course there is. This seems to not glide over. This is just joking. Again, I want this one back out because of the hairspray. My God, this is terrible. I'll apply water. I guess you see me struggling, so I'm going to put this one back out on the right side, wash it from the hairspray, so that was not helpful, and then I will post this video and I'm asking if you can tell me what the hell I'm doing wrong here.